Здравствуйте, привет, and hello. Welcome to another video about learning the Russian language. Our last video was a review of everything that we'd learned up until, from the previous review. This video is going to be about a new verb. Жить. It means to live. Okay, so remember those common verb endings? This is going to be one of those mostly regular verbs. So, жить. Repeat after me. Я живу. Ты живешь. Он живет. Она живет. Мы живем. Вы живете. Они живут. Okay, so as you can see, this is mostly a standard verb, except it has the yo instead of the ye in most of these. So, let's take a look at some examples. But first, let's just review one thing, and that is the prepositional noun case, because you often will say you live in some place. So, you want to remember that noun case, and it's very easy because male, female, and neutral objects, they all just get that ye ending, right? And then for plural, it's ach and sometimes yach, but usually ach. And then of course, in is v. So now you can learn how to say that you live in some place. So the question, ты живешь в доме? Do you live in a house? Нет, я живу в квартире. No, I live in an apartment. So house and apartments are in that prepositional case. А Марина где живет? And where does Marina live? Она живет в доме. She lives in a house. So now you can say if you live in a house or in an apartment. But you may want to be able to give more geographical information. So it would be a good idea to know at least a little bit of world geography, and the very least the continents. So the world in Russian is мир. Мир. And now the continents, we'll start with the Americas. America is Amerika, very easy. Europe is Европа, Европа. Asia is Азия, Азия. Africa is Afrika. And Australia, really tiny continent, Australia. Okay, so let's take a look at how we would use this in a conversation. Где ваши сестры живут? Where do your sisters live? Они живут в Азии. They live in Asia. So this is the prepositional case, and usually we add the ye at the end, but with Asia it's an e at the end, so it's a little irregular. А где вы живете? And where do you live? А я живу в Америке. I live in America. Now, for the most part, most countries sound in Russian very similar to the way they sound in English. For example, Germania. Can you guess what that is? Germania. That is Germany. India. Very easy one. India. That's India. Brasilia. Another easy one. Brazil. Россия. That is Russia. But a few countries are not that easy, or, well, I don't know, they're not that difficult either, but you may not realize that that's how they sound in Russian. For example, Египет. Египет. That's Egypt. Китай. That's a really tough one. You won't be able to guess this one. That's China. Китай. Япония. That's Japan. And then finally, Hispania. Well, maybe if you speak other languages, you'd guess this one, but it doesn't sound that much like English. Spain. Okay? And that's it for the verb to live, жить. Give yourself a huge pat on the back for making it this far. As always, remember to hit the like button, leave me comments, and subscribe. I post new videos every week. And the next video, you're finally going to learn your sixth and final prepositional case. Noun case. Your last noun case is going to be the instrumental case. So look forward to that and have a wonderful day. Bye!